A very old hose bib at my mother-in-law's home was leaking, and I replaced it with this new quarter-turn hose bib. First, I turned off the water supply valve and then opened the hose bib to bleed the water pressure. Many people would place the wrenches like this, but this would place too much downward pressure on the half-inch pipe. I positioned my wrenches like this and used a grip and squeeze method to loosen the old hose bib. In my opinion, this is a safer way, especially for beginners. I grabbed a roll of Teflon tape and with the fitting facing me, wrapped it on in the clockwise direction. I wrapped 3 or 4 layers of Teflon. Many plumbers recommend also applying pipe dope or thread seal, but I've only used Teflon tape and haven't had any issues over the years. Your choice. Next, I threaded on the new hose bib hand tight, and then used the wrenches to finish the installation, using the grip and squeeze method at the end to minimize pressure on the half-inch pipe. I reopened the water supply valve and tested the new hose bib. One last thing, no leaks.